Hey guys, today's video is my fall clean and decorate with me bathroom tour, and here I'm showing you the previous look, which is the yellow, you guys, and we're just ending out summer so we can fall into winter, you guys. And this video, you guys, too, is a part of the group I'm in, Glam Squad. I'm gonna give you all the information for the Glam Squad ladies here in a second. But as you can see, I had yellow everywhere, and I will tell you, I am featuring the color blue throughout. Now listen, Glam Squad consists of myself, Tammy from Her Home Is, Ellen of Glamour Ellen, Ian from Luxury Living Within, and Sue from Glam Home My Style My Colors. Please make sure you check out all of these ladies' videos. Their links is down in the description. And you guys see, I'm just showing you some of my items that I did pick up to complete off this bathroom look. And you guys, my bathroom is a mixture of high-end and low-end items to give you the most spectacular look possible. I hope it does inspire you to make sure you do talk to me down in the comment section. And please don't forget, make sure you do go over and check out the other ladies from the Glam Squad. And if you're coming over from their channels, thank you guys for coming on board. Also, make sure you do check out my TikTok channel as well. All right, you guys, these are the final items. So let's get this clean and decorate with me video started. And a useful tip, you guys, I will tell you, I typically keep two to three brushes in my bathroom, one for the toilet, one for the tub, and one for the sink. I never use my brush for my toilet anywhere other than the toilet. But we're going to just do some cleaning. Make sure you do watch the video to the end, and also make sure you go over and check out the other members of Glam Squad video as well. I promise you, you will get a lot of inspiration for our August collaboration. And also too, family, for another bathroom hack, I did pick up me a pumice brush from Temu. I think I'm going to put that link in the description. Now that pumice brush will keep your tub, your sinks, your toilets very, very beautiful and white. But I will put that link for it down in the description. You guys, this brush was only like $2.88. Make sure you do snag you a couple. I also keep pine salt poured in my toilet bowl as well as Clorox. And here you see me, guys, I'm just doing my quarterly maintenance on my toilet, and I'm just putting my stuff in for my septic tank. And two, family, we're getting ready for this bathroom reveal. Once again, this is part of a collaboration with Glam Squad Enthusiasts, and that is Glamour Allen, Sue from Glam Home, My Style, My Colors, and from Luxury Living Within, and myself, Tammy, from Her Home Is. Now here's the reveal.